What is happening to this world? We must do something. Create something. We must change the world.
Hi, I'm Lord Bonanzo. I'm the mayor. Well, you must be thinking what happened.
Hey Bonanzo.
Can't you see I'm talking?
Well, sorry for that.
Well, since you are here, why don't you tell them what happened?
Let us begin. As the sky started to fall, death came near all.
Population was way too much, but the number of houses was not such.
So we designed these buildings for all.
This building is no average Joe, if I may. It is somewhat special, as others might say.
But why is it cylindrical? It looks diabolical.
You see, circles are special shapes, and the ratio of the volume it takes to the surface it provides is the least.
In other words, it takes less and gives more.
You see, these buildings have extended floors, thus taking less ground and giving more doors.
One more thing we needed was greenery, but we only had enough space for our machinery.
So we brainstormed our minds and used the buildings for the green.
Vertical planting was the best we could do without being mean. The city is so beautiful.
Every experience here is so fruitful. Look at these roads, such a cool cross-stitch design. Where is the artist sign?
Hey Dumbitit, it helps in the infiltration of water into the ground to replenish groundwater. Didn't you read it in the books?
I don't know where the sunlight comes from. I can summon it into my mind, into my fingers. And amazing growth is the outcome.
He's talking about trees, not some ghost. Jeez. You know, trees are evolutionarily modified and designed by the higher power to tap the highest amount of sunlight possible.
So yeah, we tap the trees too. Here we are presenting the solar trees. We have one of these at every corner of the city, thus powering the whole city without breaking any sweat. Hey, I'm tired of roaming in this city. Today's weather is not so pretty. Let's get home and have a drink, thus we can sit and relax in a blink.
Why not?
A few moments later.
Hey look, here it is my town hall. Doesn't it look like a huge ball?
That is because I designed it that way. I wanted it to look good with amazing architecture such, so I applied my knowledge too much.
I know, just like every building in this city, it is applied with vertical planting. And it is spherical, so you know, less area, more volume. Let us take a look at our street lights. Well, you know, even our street lights are street smart.
Every street light is fitted with an ambient light sensor, which senses the amount of darkness and enlightens our life accordingly.
This glacier behind me is our ultimate powerhouse. The principle of its working is just motors.
You see, glacier has large amounts of energy. We harness this energy using grooved ridges which are connected to motors.
Whenever there is a slight movement of the glacier, a metallic coil is compressed.
Whenever there is enough compression, the coil releases its energy and there is a humongous power spike. We achieved all this just using a 3D printer.
So take a look of our smart city.